the KAIWEETS Infrared Thermal Imager stands out as a versatile and high-performance tool. Designed to meet diverse needs from industrial inspections to home diagnostics, this device combines cutting-edge features with user-friendly functionality. At its core, the KAIWEETS Thermal Camera boasts a remarkable 256 by 192 IR resolution, offering crisp thermal images that aid in pinpointing anomalies with precision. Equipped with 3 distinct imaging modes: infrared, visible light, and a fusion of both, the KAIWEETS camera delivers comprehensive insights into thermal patterns. Fusion imaging enhances visibility by overlaying infrared and visible light images, facilitating detailed analysis of object characteristics, abnormalities. The 3.2-inch color screen further enhances usability, displaying visible light imagery in 640 by 480 resolution for clear, detailed visuals. A standout feature is its ability to record videos and capture images effortlessly, enabling users to document findings in real time. 5 customizable color palettes provide flexibility in visualizing temperature variations, crucial for tasks requiring high thermal contrast detection, such as automotive diagnostics, outdoor exploration, and industrial inspections. Powered by a robust 3,500 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery, the KAIWEETS Thermal Imager offers up to 8 hours of continuous operation. This durability ensures uninterrupted usage during critical inspections or fieldwork, without the worrying of battery depletion. The KAIWEETS 256 by 192 Infrared Thermal Imager exemplifies innovation in thermal imaging technology. With its high-resolution capabilities, multifaceted imaging modes, and robust connectivity features, it proves indispensable across various industries, from detecting hidden faults in machinery to enhancing safety protocols in building inspections. Whether used for preventive maintenance, research, or safety assessments, the KAIWEETS Thermal Imager sets a new standard in thermal imaging excellence.